Are you looking to take your project management to the next level? Look no further than these top project management software tools for success. First up, we have Trello. This user-friendly tool allows you to organize your projects into boards, lists, and cards, making it easy to track progress and collaborate with team members. Next, we have Asana. With features like task assignments, due dates, and project timelines, Asana helps you stay on top of your deadlines and keep your team on track. If you're looking for a more robust solution, consider trying out Monday.com. This tool offers customizable workflows, time tracking, and integrations with other apps to streamline your project management process. For those in need of a tool specifically designed for software development, Jira is the way to go. With features like bug tracking, agile project management, and real-time collaboration, Jira is a must-have for tech teams. No matter which tool you choose, investing in project management software is sure to boost your productivity and help you achieve success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you succeed in your projects.